In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tradingview account for free. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let's begin. To start off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or anything else, it doesn't matter. Just navigate to that search bar, type in Tradingview, and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, but go ahead and click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the official Tradingview website, where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Get Started. This is your gateway to setting up your new account, so go ahead and give that button a click. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll be presented with the option to sign up under the $0 Forever plan. This is the plan we're targeting because it doesn't require any payment, and more importantly, no credit card information is needed. Tradingview offers this free plan without any upfront commitments, so it's a great way to get started without strings attached. Moving forward, you'll see several sign-up methods displayed on the screen. These include options like Google, Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, and even LinkedIn. Of course, there's the classic email address sign-up option as well. For simplicity and ease, I'll be walking you through the Google sign-up process today. If you choose another method, the process is quite similar. So click on Sign Up with Google. A list of your Google accounts should appear if you're already logged into your browser. Choose the one you wish to use and proceed. With your sign-up method chosen, it's time to set up your Tradingview profile. You'll be prompted to create a username. This can be any name you'd like, something personal or professional, depending on your preference. Directly below the username section, you'll notice a checkbox. This asks if you'd like to receive marketing emails with special offers from Tradingview. If you're interested in staying up to date with their offers, leave this box checked. Otherwise, feel free to untick it. Don't forget to check the box to agree to Tradingview's terms and conditions. Once that's all set, click the Next button to continue. And just like that, you're done. You'll be redirected back to the Tradingview homepage. A quick glance up at the top right corner will confirm you're now signed in, with your account successfully created. As you can see, creating a free Tradingview account is quick, easy, and most importantly, completely free. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.